Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16e, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now, to start off, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will look something similar to this, and comes provided with a device, so it will look much crappier as it's Apple, so don't worry, they're not going to give you anything that looks as nice as this one. And if you can't find any, because, I don't know, maybe they're not including it at all in the US, then you could use something like a paper clip, extend one of the ends and it should work just as well. And once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the phone. So right here, you want to push that pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. Place it on a tray with the chip side upwards like this, and then insert it back into the device, and that's all you need to do. The card should start working right away, hence why it's popping up with the enter your SIM pin. And that's it. The card is now unlocked and ready to be used. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.